Today, we received two samples from a jewelry client, two gold necklaces. One has a slightly darker color tone, while the other is a bit brighter. Now, we will test these two samples. Firstly, let's test sample 1. The mode of the analyzer is Terra 900S. We place the sample on the detection window. Cover it with the radiation shield. Select the mode as precious metals. Enter the analysis page. And click Start. Upon analysis, we can see that the gold concentration of sample 1 is above 99%, in addition to trace amounts of platinum and silver. Testing is complete. Next, we test sample 2. This particular sample is not genuine gold. Our analysis indicates that its primary elemental composition consists of copper, nickel, and zinc. The gold concentration is approximately 1%, making it a low-cost gold-plated necklace.